Hello and welcome to Car Solutions online store. In this video, I would like to show you how to connect a rear view camera using a cable with plug-and-play connection. This cable is designed for Toyota and Lexus cars. You can find a more detailed compatibility list on the product page. So, let's begin. We have OEM Toyota and Lexus monitors here, or as they are called by the manufacturer, MFDs, multifunctional displays. This particular cable is designed for MFD of the 5th generation. These can be both monitors with navigation that have map, DAST and nav buttons, and without navigation. However, some monitors look quite alike. For example, a monitor of the 4th generation can look very similar to this one, which actually is a 5th generation MFD. In this video, I will show you how to distinguish which is which and how to connect the camera. So, as I have mentioned before, this cable offers plug-and-play connection. This 28-pin connector is plugged into the OEM socket of the monitor. We remove the OEM connector from the monitor and connect this adapter. As a result, we get an RCA connector for camera connection. And I mean aftermarket cameras, which can look quite different. And also two power output cables. This is not the input power, but the output power of the monitor, which is equal to 6 volts. So, we have a plus 6 volt cable and a minus 6 volt cable. If you have a camera that works fine with 6 volts, and most modern cameras actually do, you can simply connect it to this output. What happens as a result? As soon as we start the car, first turn of the key, 6 volt power is supplied to the camera immediately. By the time we switch to reverse, the camera matrix is preheated, so to speak. And the image quality is a lot better. Additionally, the camera works as an OEM camera, meaning that no matter which mode is active, climate control, audio, navigation, and so on, the image of the rear view camera is displayed automatically when you shift to the rear gear. And all of this thanks to this cable. This is a lot better than in some other solutions, where a rear view camera is connected through the navigation input. And because of this, it only works while you're in navigation mode. So, let's briefly take a look at how to distinguish these two types of monitors, so that you can order the correct product and see how to actually connect the camera using this cable. So, again, we have these two monitors. The first one is a multifunctional display of the 4th generation, and the second one is a multifunctional display of the 5th generation. They are quite easy to distinguish. In the monitor of the 4th generation, the icons have a square shape, and the pixels are quite large. This is because the matrix resolution of the monitor is quite small, 480 by 234 pixels. In the 5th generation monitor, the resolution is 800 by 480. Additionally, the icons have a circular shape and have a blue sort of glow. It doesn't have to be blue though, it can be changed to gold as well. The same can also be done in this menu. So, to sum up, how to distinguish the two? Very simple. Square icons mean 4th generation, circular icons mean 5th generation. This cable only works with 5th generation monitors. This is the back view of our monitors. Do not be confused by the look of this. It's just our testing stand where we check different solutions and equipment. You may ask why I'm showing both the 4th and the 5th generation monitors. Well, the 5th generation monitor has a 28-pin socket. And the 4th generation monitor has the same 28-pin socket. We are showing both in order to avoid possible confusion. As I have mentioned before, the connection is quite simple. We remove the OEM 28-pin connector, plug in the adapter, then plug in the connector that we have just removed from the monitor. We then connect the camera using this adapter. And additionally, connect the power. I have a special power adapter that I will connect in a moment. This adapter is designed specifically for this camera. Black is negative, red is positive. There are crims like these on the package contents of the camera, used for connecting the power to the camera. Let's connect the power. I will emulate movement in the reverse mode with this switch to demonstrate how the rearview camera works. So, we have started the car. Let's now switch to reverse. As you can see, the rearview camera image appears. A 6-volt aftermarket camera is connected in our case. It is powered up directly from the monitor. No matter which mode we are in this case it's navigation, let's move to the information mode. The image from the rearview camera appears anyway. The same thing happens if we switch to audio or climate control. The rearview camera image appears automatically. Right here, there is going to be a reminder for the driver to make sure that the way is clear when moving backwards. The language of this message depends on the language that your monitor is set to: English, Russian, and so on. So, as you have seen yourself, connecting the rearview camera in Toyota and Lexus cars is quite easy. Like this video if you enjoyed it and subscribe to our channel. If you have any additional questions, don't hesitate to use Discuss, our forums, or regular email to contact us. Goodbye and see you soon!